Let us differentiate these functions. So the first one is cos of x squared plus 1. So we have y equals to cos of x squared plus 1. So we can write this that suppose x squared plus 1 could be written as u. So the function has become y is equal to cos of u. So from here we can find out what is dy by du, which is minus sine u. And since x squared plus 1 is equal to u, from here you can find out du by dx, which is 2x. But dy by dx, it could be found out as a product of dy by du to du by dx, which is minus sine u into 2x, or simplifying this, minus 2x sine of u, but in place of u you can write x squared plus 1. Okay, then in the next question you have sine of cos x, so you can write y is equal to sine of cos x, where supposedly cos x is equal to u. So your function has become y is equal to sine of u. From here you can find out dy by du, which is cos of u. And from here you can find out du by dx, which is minus sine x. But dy by dx is given as dy by du into du by dx, which is sine of u, which is cos of u into minus sine x. Okay, so simplifying this, you can write minus sine x into cos of, in place of u you will write cos x. Okay, now then you have the other function, which is y equals to cos of ax square plus bx plus c. So supposedly ax square plus bx plus c is equal to u. So your function has become y is equal to cos of u. From here you can find out dy by du, which is minus sine of u, and from here you can find out du by dx, which is 2ax plus b. But you know that dy by dx is given as a product of dy by du into du by dx, which is given as, let me write it here, which is given as dy by du is what? Minus sine of u, and du by dx is what? 2ax plus b, which could be simplified as minus 2ax plus b into sine of, in place of u you will write ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, then question number 5th is where cos x to the power 4 sine square x to the power 6. So you have y is equal to cos x to the power 4 sine square x to the power 6. So you can write y is equal to u into v. U could be written as cos of x to the power 4 and v could be written as sine square x to the power 6. Now here you can assume that x to the power 4 is equal to w. So you can find out du by dw as minus sine w and dw by dx as 4x cube. So du by dx, okay, du by dx is basically minus sine w into 4x cube, which is minus 4x cube into sine of, in place of w you can write x to the power 4. Similarly, for v is equal to sine square x to the power 6, what will you write is, say v is equal to sine square s, okay, where s is equal to x to the power 6. So dv by ds is basically 2 sin s cos s, and ds by dx is 6x to the power 5. So dv by dx is basically 2 sine, sorry, dv by dx is basically dv by ds into ds by dx. This is what you have. So what you will have here is dv by ds. What is dv by ds? 2 sin s cos s into 6x to the power 5, so which is 12 sin s cos s. In place of s you will write x to the power 6 cos of x to the power 6. Okay, so you have here dv by dx. Now the point is that you have this as a product rule. So y is equal to uv. Okay, so first function as it is into derivative of the second function plus second function as it is into derivative of the first function. So what is u? U is cos of x to the power 4. What is dv by dx? This one, 12 sin x to the power 6 cos x to the power 6. What is v? V is sine square x to the power 6. And what is du by dx is minus 4 x cube sine of x to the power 4. This is what you have as dy by dx. Okay, now the last question here in this is sine of root x. This is simple enough. Y is equal to sine root x. Say v is equal to root x. So function has become y is equal to sine of v. So dy by dx is the product of dy by dv into dv by dx. So what is dy by dv? That is cos of v. What is dv by dx is 1 upon 2 root x. So which is 1 upon 2 root x into cos of v, cos of root x. So this is dy by dx. So these are some of the example how do you differentiate these functions. Okay,